this exercise, we're going to write function in bash and also learn about special symbols that bash recognize. Example, $0, $1, $hex, and $*. Take a look at line 3. $0 represents the script name. In this case, function.sh is the script name. So $0 will be substituted by function.sh. If you start finding yourself writing repetitive codes, then it's time to write function for the repetitive codes. At line 4, we declare a function called hello. There's a space between the function name hello and the open curly bracket, and the action in between them, and finally the function is closed at line 8 with a closed curly bracket. At line 5, you notice there's a $1. $1 represents the first argument that's being passed to the function hello. If instead it's $2, then it represents the second argument. If it's $3, then it represents the third argument. So at line 20, we call the function hello and supply it with the first argument John. So in this case, $1 represents John. Let's take a look at line number 9, the function hi. At line 10, you saw a $hex. $hex represents the total number of arguments being passed to the function hi. At line 11, you saw the symbol $*. $* represents all the arguments that is being passed to the function hi. So in this case, at line 21, we call the function hi, and these are the arguments that's being passed to the function hi. So there are altogether 5 arguments. So in this case, $hex will store the value 5, and $* will store all these arguments that is being passed to the function hi. Now finally, at line 15, we declare the function quit. And at line 18, you notice there's an exit command being called. This will exit from the script totally. So at line 23, the echo command or this statement will never get executed, because at line 22, when you call the function quit, you'll be exited from the script totally. Now let's try running the script. So this is the first function call at line 20, where the argument John is being passed to the function hello. So here you see hello there John as specified in the function. You pass the argument hi with 5 arguments as we have stated in line 21 in the script. Finally, at line 22, the function quit is being called, and the statement you call the function quit to quit is printed on the screen. And you notice that line 23 never get to be printed on the screen because the quit function is being called with the exit command. Let's clear the screen. There's another special symbol that bash recognized, and that is the $? It actually stores the status of the last command being run. For example, if I run the command called ls/etc/password, obviously this file exists. So if I echo the value of the question mark, which is $question mark, you'll give me the value of 0, which means successful. What happens if I purposely list a non-existent file, for example bogus, which is a non-existing file, and if I echo the value of $question mark, it will give me a value greater than 0, which means the command was not successful. This will end our demo.